Hey there, friends. Ever wonder how plumbers turn pipes into profits? It's not just fixing leaks. It's a flood of smart ideas that bring in the cash, and we've got fun money facts for kids, teens, and adults to share. Welcome to Profit Unveiled, where we bring business to life with a splash. So grab your wrench and dive in. This one's a gusher of plumbing profits. Imagine you're at home and hear that drip, drip sound from a leaky faucet. Plumbers swoop in and fix it for $100. That's right, $100. It's a quick job with a minimum charge to cover their trip and tools, keeping it fair so folks call them every day. That's their first trick. Affordable fixes to keep the work steady and the cash flowing. Picture this. Mrs. Jones down the street has a sink that's been dripping for weeks. She calls her plumber, and he's there in 30 minutes, tools ready, charging $100 flat to swap a washer. That covers his time, travel, and a bit of profit, usually $50 to $200 depending on where you live, how tricky the leak is, or if it's a busy day. She's happy, he's paid, and she'll call again next time. That's how they build a base. Small jobs, big volume, steady money. But here's where they turn up the pressure. They offer pipe upgrades for $75 each. Those upgrades only cost them $10 to install. That's $65 profit on every job, and it's a simple swap that makes pipes last longer and customers smile wider. The cash starts rushing in without much extra effort. Think about Mr. Smith with his old house full of rusty pipes. The plumber says, "Hey, for $75, I can swap that old pipe for a shiny new one." It's a short job, say 20 minutes, and costs $10 in parts, leaving a sweet $65 in the pocket. That's the classic upsell. Take a small job and make it a big win. Now let's talk about something sneaky but brilliant. Micro-subscriptions. For $5 a month, they check your pipes to stop leaks before they start. It's like a secret club for homeowners who hate surprises, and it keeps the money trickling in month after month. No big sales pitch needed, just a steady stream of trust and cash. Imagine Mrs. Jones again. She signs up for $5 monthly. The plumber swings by once a quarter, spends 15 minutes checking her pipes, and spots a tiny drip before it floods her kitchen. That $5 barely covers his time, but she's thrilled. He's got steady cash, and she'll call him for bigger jobs later. That's a quiet cash machine ticking away. And here's a hot new trend they're riding. Eco-audits. For $50, they use water meters to spot waste in your home, saving you hundreds on bills. It costs them $20 in gear, leaving $30 profit. It's green, it's smart, and it builds loyalty while the profits pile up. Picture Mr. Smith's house again. The plumber says, "For $50, I'll check your water use." He finds a leaky toilet wasting 50 gallons a day. Mr. Smith saves $200 a year, and the plumber's the hero with $50 in hand, $30 profit after the meter cost. That price might jump to $100 in a big city, but the savings make it a win. Want to know how they stay busy? They host DIY workshops for $30 a pop. Folks learn to fix a faucet while chatting up the plumber. It's not just teaching, it's building a fan base that calls them first for big jobs. Imagine a Saturday morning with 10 folks paying $30 each. That's $300 for a few hours, and they leave calling him my plumber. It's break-even cash now, but it's gold for future work. And instead of apps everyone uses, they drop old-school flyers in mailboxes around town. Those paper sparks fly out and pull in calls from every street. Picture this. 50 flyers at 10 cents each cost $5 total and land 20 calls. One turns into a $75 job. That's a big return on a simple trick. Plumbers don't just fix pipes. They craft profits we all enjoy. Want to start your own? Keep fixes cheap, sub small, go green, teach locals, and flyer up. Your wrench can flood your wallet with cash. Love these money facts? Hit that subscribe button. We're pumping out lessons weekly, and you won't want to miss a drop.